guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the humidifier. So first I'm gonna go get this, but first let's open this. Don't forget to open this. Then let's go get our measuring cup. Fill it until 100 ml. Okay, now I'm gonna put it like that, okay? You can do it 3 times because you're supposed to do it 3 times. Okay, put 3 times to keep it overflowing if you put too much. But I'm not gonna put too much since only 100 ml. Let's see, this is good. So now this is the fun part to happen. We're gonna get the essential oils. I got 2 of them. I got lavender and orange. Lavender and orange. So you can also buy the antibacterial and anti-allergy. Okay, now I'm gonna pick the lavender. Woo. Okay, now you're gonna open it up and put any drops you want. There we go. Now I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna cover it, so I'll put it in the right way. Now I'm gonna go plug it in. This is the part I like. There we go. Now I'm gonna press these 2 buttons. Where's the other one? Okay. On and this button. I really can't see. Now press the light button here so it can light. And I can see the foggy coming out. And it's actually changing color. Now I can actually sleep well with it. And oh my gosh, it has different colors. There's green, red, yellow, and blue, purple, more colors. And okay guys, bye! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next channel. Bye!